Hello friends, welcome. Need to mail your 2024 tax return using TurboTax in 2025. Maybe e-filing's not an option or you just prefer the old school way. So first, finish your 2024 return in TurboTax Online or desktop. If you're paying TurboTax fees via your refund, switch to a credit or debit card to unlock the mail option. Go to File and Update Payment per TurboTax's community. Review your return for errors, especially your SSN and AGI, to avoid rejections. Once it's ready, choose File by Mail. In the File section, TurboTax will flag if mailing is required due to forms like non-resident alien status. Next, print your return. In TurboTax Online, go to Tax Home and click Add a State to access your return, then hit Print Center. Under My Account for desktop, go to File, Print for Mailing. TurboTax prints your Form 1040, schedules, and a cover sheet with mailing instructions. Don't include the cover sheet per the Intuit website. Sign and date the Sign Here section and attach W-2s and 1099s with withholding. Staple them to the front, note schedules. I printed mine in 5 minutes. And now you can mail it. Federal and state returns go to different addresses. Check the IRS website for federal and your state's revenue site for state addresses. Use separate envelopes and include enough postage. Weigh it with a kitchen scale. Send via certified mail or UPS for tracking. TurboTax does not mail it for you, so hit the post office by April 15th, 2025 to meet the deadline. And that's how you send it, guys. Mailed yours. Drop your story below, like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.